My name is Jenna and I'm a style-crazed full-time creative living in sunny San Diego. In 2016, my husband and I purchased our forever home, and now, in between balancing my upholstery business, our 4 dogs, and just life in general, I'm going to renovate our home room by room, project by project myself, with some fun help from a few of my friends along the way. And I'm going to share it all with you right here on YouTube. So, are you ready to see a room bloom?
Well, October sucked. Hi. Oh where has Jenna gone? Oh where can she be? Welcome to a very random new episode of Room Bloom, color lovers. Last episode, which was over a month ago, I was getting ready to gear up for the fall 2019 One Room Challenge and had promised you a new episode right after the home office reveal the following week. Well, nothing has gone according to plan the past 6 weeks. Heck, I don't even have my Crayola tips done at the moment. And I'm gonna do my best, y'all, not to cry, but no promises. Consider this your warning. The very first week of the fall 2019 One Room Challenge kicked off with my grandma Margaret suddenly passing away, which, of course, shook me to my very core. I don't have one childhood memory that doesn't include her in it, guys. I was only 2 years old when my grandfather suddenly passed away and she came to live with us. She helped raise me, and at times was more there for my brother and I than our own parents. Sainthood status, for sure. Anyway, she passed away, and I thought I would be fine after the Texas funeral and naively would be able to finish my One Room Challenge space in time. Well, today starts the reveals on everybody's rooms, and y'all, I've got nothing to show you. I mean, sure, some progress has been made here and there, and I did keep up with all of those ORC blog post updates, but yeah, no completed space to reveal. And I have to be okay with that, you know? Life happens, and sometimes it makes us shift our plans. All right. Who is ready for some more positive news? In spite of my grandma's death, there were some positive things to happen this past month. Well, okay, this first one happened a couple months ago. At first, I wasn't going to share it on here. Felt a little weird and braggy. But then with some urging from my tribe, or whatever the kids are calling their friends these days, I decided, who cares? In August, I got this delightful surprise of seeing my home renovation work on the cover of San Diego Home and Garden magazine. I mean, I knew we were going to be in the magazine, but had no idea that it would be centerfold or a 10-page spread, plus the cover. That's what my grandma Margaret would say is living right and paying the preacher, y'all. And the reason I'm sharing this with you now is, well, for one, it was pretty cool feeling. And two, I just found out that Room Bloom is going to be featured in a nationwide publication this coming January, which is beyond exciting. I'm not quite ready to let the cat out of the bag yet, but stay tuned to my Instagram for that official announcement. So fun. But this good news is a twofer, or maybe you could even consider it a threefer, because I am also so excited to share with you that I've decided to add some holiday-inspired decorating videos to the Room Bloom channel. That's right, y'all. Next week, I'm planning on sharing how I'm decorating our unrenovated dining room space for the upcoming Thanksgiving holiday. And then 2 weeks after that, how I'm going to colorfully decorate the spaces I have renovated thus far here on Room Bloom for the Christmas holiday. And then, and only then, will I get back to renovating that half-bath space that didn't make it quite in time for the fall 2019 One Room Challenge. So, as you can tell, lots of new rainbow-tastic content headed your way, color lovers. Thank you so much for staying subscribed to my channel, and stay tuned. Much love, guys.